Hi, welcome to GENHAIR TV. My name is Glenn and this here is Jessie. Today we'll be talking about how to wash your hair. Jessie told me that the fact is, most people are not washing their hair correctly. Jessie, can I ask you if that is true?
Yes, it is. Even though most people think that washing your hair is easy, but they are doing it wrong. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly wash your hair with a natural shampoo bar which saves the earth and your scalp. This is GENHAIR Natural Organic Olive Shampoo Bar. An average shampoo bar will last longer than 3 bottles of liquid shampoo when used correctly. After removing the packaging, you can either place the shampoo bar on a soap container if you have one, or you can put it on the soap mesh net that we have provided you so that it can dry before and after use. Step 1. Choose the right products. So first up, you need to identify what type of hair you have in order to get the right product for yourself. Hair are mainly grouped into 4 different categories: dry hair, normal hair, oily hair, and thinning hair. For both dry and normal hair, you want to use a moisturizing shampoo. If you have got greasy hair, you want to use an oil control shampoo, and if you have got thinning hair, you want to look for a shampoo that will give your hair more volume. Avoid any shampoo that is full of harmful artificial ingredients like parabens, SLS, alcohol, and sodium chloride. Because in case you didn't know, these ingredients can irritate your scalp and in some cases disrupt your body's hormones too. At GENHAIR, we make products with healthy natural ingredients that hydrates and nourishes your scalp like olives, seaweed, green tea, lemon, and by the way, for guys dealing with hot weather, mint is great too.
Without further ado, let's go on to step 2, where we teach you how to wash your hair.
Step number 2. Use the right water temperature. The perfect temperature for washing your hair is 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, just above your body temperature. Hot water can damage hair follicles and dry out your scalp. On the other hand, water that is too cold won't properly open the hair cuticle for cleaning. You want to rub the shampoo between your hands to spread it. You can use maybe a little more if you have got longer hair. The amount of lather doesn't really matter. Some shampoo are going to lather more than others. More bubbles do not equal to a better clean. Start to massage the shampoo into your scalp for 2 minutes. As you're massaging the shampoo into your hair, you want to focus on the scalp. That is where most of the dirt and oil is located. The way is to go back and forth, following the natural direction of your hair. Do not wash your hair in circular motion, as that will cause stress on your hair roots and make your hair tangle up. The shampoo with water is going to naturally run down the full strand of your hair and it's going to clean it as it goes.
Now, the benefit of the scalp massage, besides feeling amazing, is that it's going to increase hair growth by stimulating blood supply to the hair follicles. When you are scrubbing your hair, understand you cannot overdo this. You don't want to vigorously rub the shampoo into your scalp because this can scratch your scalp and cause dryness and also irritation. Overwashing is going to strip the natural oils and moisture right out of your hair as well. Actually, a gentle massage is all that you need.
Rinsing. Now, you want to take 60 seconds and with cooler water, rinse all the shampoo out of your hair. Seriously, you don't want to leave anything behind. Leftover shampoo can also irritate the scalp over time.
Now, Jessie, can I ask, why is it better to use natural shampoo bars?
One shampoo bar is as much as 3 bottles of shampoos, so we are not just saving the earth, but most importantly, our scalp. Me and my son are sensitive to a lot of the chemicals found in normal shampoo, so I created GENHAIR products that are mostly handmade with natural ingredients with freshly blended herbs and plants that has medicinal properties that targets specific scalp issues.
Wow, that is great! Does that mean that anybody can use these products and don't get any rashes or sensitivity or don't get any irritation at all? Because I believe, like me, most people do not want to put any chemicals into their body.
Yes, I stand behind the products, and that's why we have a 100% money back guarantee.
Amazing.
Step 4. Drying your hair. If you are doing it wrong, you can damage your hair with the towel. Most of you are overdoing it. Stop being overly rough, and it may feel good, but you are actually pulling hairs out of your scalp. Over time, this can lead to a lot of damage, especially since hair is more brittle and prone to breakage when it's wet. The correct method is to gently pat your hair back and forth with the towel until it dries.
Can I ask, how about if we were to use a hairdryer?
You need to be careful as high heat can damage hair follicles and roots, making it more likely to break, especially on the ends. You want to make sure that you keep the hairdryer at least 3 inches from your head and preferably use low or medium heat. And don't forget, keep the hairdryer moving. You don't want the hairdryer to focus on one place for more than 2 seconds, and never over dry your hair with the hairdryer.
If you like this video, hit the subscribe button below, and there will be more videos like this to show you on how you can better take care of your hair. See you!